Tuesday the 25th of November, 3 minutes till the US Open. We have got a huge amount of bearish volume on NAS. DAX has got some sellers that it has to get through there. Gold's also in a similar situation. It's got a bunch of sellers that it needs to push through for gold. NAS has now dropped below 24,800, so I think I may be looking at sells. Well, I just have to wait and see once the market opens in 2 minutes. If this plummets down, then I may take sells from DAX to see if it will follow it. I've just got a funny feeling it's going to be sells on NAS. Came in sells on NAS. NAS is moving down. Let's go to the 10 minute on here. It's getting brought back up quite quickly. So NAS has to get through these buyers here that are trying to keep the price up. But if it breaks through them, I can see it coming down to 24,600. DAX is trying to go up, so we'll just keep an eye on that one. Seeing bearish volume. I don't like the way that's happened though. Need to stay below 24,800. As soon as it doesn't do that, then I'll get out. Alright, so now it's getting pulled back up. Let's see if this continues. It's this that I'm worried about. DAX is pushing up. NAS is struggling to get past these. So that's DAX. I don't know why there's no... NAS is trying to get brought back up. I want to keep an eye on this because I do think we might get sells on here if it comes back down. So we'll go for there. If it comes back down to 24,800. NAS has got all brought back up. It's whether it holds below 24,800. If it holds below, then I'll keep with sells. I'm going to take sells on DAX. Wow, really strong bullish volume on NAS. We're outside the value area on NAS as well, so it's whether it just can stay below. It's struggling at the moment. Very heavy bearish delta. I'm wanting to see if these sellers can hold. Earlier this morning, it brought them all back up to here. It's wicking now. It may just be these reluctant sells that you get with NAS, where it just doesn't want to go down, but then does go eventually. Okay, so NAS is moving. The two sells on DAX are doing quite well. Well, they're starting to move. I'm going to close this one out and this one. They're just orders that had sat there. So yeah, bearish volume. I need to see this get a little bit more. There's a lot of signs that we need to see on DAX that we're not seeing yet. But we're in two trades there, 2 10-lot trades. NAS is fine. Where could they go to? It's very little volume here. That's DAX here. We need to see that these sellers can push this down. NAS, I think I'm just going to keep an eye on for now. We've blown past the VWAP, so this is bearish now. It's just where does it go to? Is it going to go to the previous POC at 400, which is a big move down? How much profit are we on? 6.3, 700, 650. I could just close here. I think I'm going to close here and have that done for my NAS trade. 6 plus 7. Leave that one running for a bit longer. And I'll set the stop to just there. So we take 800 from that one. DAX is moving too. Good. Well, we don't need DAX to get to at least the VWAP, which is 23,300 here, which is 1,600 there. Back to NAS. It's doing well. It's getting bought back up now. I'm happy to come out of NAS now. What's it doing over here? Yeah, you can see an imbalance. That pink line there means there's an imbalance, which means it could start flipping back again. But that's a huge amount of bearish delta there. This may keep going. Let's see what happens. Gold couldn't hold above there, so that's on its way down to this trend line now. I don't want to take 3 trades because I don't want to. It's going to be difficult to manage them all. I think I'm going to close NAS. That's good enough. NAS we're going to close at 1100, 1200, 13. 1350 we're closed. Okay, that's the NAS trade done. And DAX, let's see what we've got here. Okay, we're hitting that buying volume there, so I'm going to pull out this as well. There's 2 trades for 1k each. 1, 2. Done. Trading day finished in 15 minutes.